Okay, now in this ratio question, you have something different. That's why I choose to do this question. Now they tell that the A to B ratio is 3 to 5. 3 is to 5. A to C again 2 is to 3. Now here actually three things now A, B, C, right? So now they ask what the value received by A, right? It's like that. So first of all here you have to combine this all three with one ratio. This is the way you can do it. Now here three values now A, B and C, so we write like this way: A is to B is to C, right? Then now in this ratio we have A to B, 3 is to 5, so let's write 3 to 5. In the next one we have A to C, right? A to C. A to C 2 is to 3, right? 2 is to 3. So in the down I will write in here A is to C, A to C, A to C 2 is to 3, no, like this, no. So I will write 2 is to 3 like this. Try to understand how I wrote it. Alright, here A to B, A to B and A to C. So A to B 3 is to 5, it's very easy. And then A to C, very carefully, A to C mean here A and C. Now we have one value, one thing in both place. In this ratio also we have A value, for this ratio also we have A value. Now you need to combine this all three ratios with this one. Now here we can make this, we need to make these two number to be same. How we can make? If I multiply this one by 2, I can make here 6. Here if I multiply by 3, I can make here 6. That's the way. So if I'm you need to make this which one has same like now A value here also in this ratio also they given, A value they given in this ratio also. So that one you need to make to be same. Now here 3 and 2 no, not same. So to be same I need to multiply this one by 2, then I can get here 6, and here I multiply by 3, then I can get here also 6. So if I did that way, you can't multiply only this, so you need to multiply this also by 2, and if you multiply this one by 3, you need to multiply this one also by 3, right? That's the idea. So now let's see multiply. Here will be 6, in here also 6, and here will be what the 10, and here will be 9. Okay, now we have all three, these two same now. So that's why we can write this all three value as 1. Here 6, here middle one 10, here last one will be 9. Okay, now we have that all three values. How we can combine this three things A, B, C, right? Here don't need to multiply even, you can just tell here 6 directly, and here 5 into 2 10, and here 3 into 3 9. Don't need to write even this part. Okay, now we combine these all three ratios. Using this you can share this $100 among this A and B and C, but we don't need to share all three. We need to find only how much get by A. So very simple, you know the rest. We can add this all three ratios, but the 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 10 is 25. Okay, now total is 25. From 25 A will get 6, according to this, right? Now this is multiplied by 100 to find what the amount get by A. So here will be how many 25 are there? 25 1. How many 25 are there? 100. It is 4. 4 into 6 24. So A will get $24, right? That's the answer for that question.